Welcome to another unboxing video. Today I am going to unbox a very small box which I got from Amazon. Yeah, let's get into that. So I have seen this trend of Amazon packing stuff like this with folding some cardboard and sticking a sticker over it. I don't know, it's some kind of inconvenient for me. It's not a proper unboxing, it's like you are ripping it off. Or maybe there is a method of doing it, I don't know that yet. So this is a hair serum from Beardo. Hair serum for men. As you can see, very nice packing. Let's see the product. Yeah, this is like 50 ml. And the price is 295 rupees. So if you are planning to keep a longer hair and you cannot apply oil to your hair every day, once you go out it will be all sticky and oily, you can use serums like this. And Beardo has been offering some good products lately for facial hair, men products. I think they have some deodorants and perfume lines also. Let's check this product out. Yeah, there is too much plastic. Yeah, so I've opened it. So I think this is how we use it. Yeah, this is kind of oily. It's having a very nice smell. So from the product information I have come to know that this is a mix of argan oil and almond oil. Almond oil is nice, it is non-sticky and it's having its own benefits. And argan oil, yeah, it promotes strong, smooth and shiny hair. So after your shower, just apply some to your hair and go out, have fun. Thanks for watching. See you in another video.